Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure PayPal for digital payments, detailed guide step by step clearly. To configure PayPal for digital payments, start by visiting the official PayPal website. Log into your PayPal account using your email address and password. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up button to create one. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the profile icon, usually found in the top right corner. Click on the Profile option to access account settings. Next, select Account Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings menu, find the section labeled My Selling Tools. Click on My Selling Tools to view payment preferences. You will see various options related to payments. To set up digital payments, look for the option labeled PayPal buttons. Click on Update next to PayPal buttons to start the configuration process. Choose the type of button you want to create, such as Buy Now or Add to Cart. Fill out the necessary details for your button, including item name, price, and currency. Optionally, you can customize the button's appearance and functionality. After filling in the required information, click on Create button to generate the HTML code. Copy the HTML code provided by PayPal. Next, go to your website or online store platform. Access the section where you can add custom HTML or embed code. Paste the PayPal button code into the designated area on your website. Save your changes and preview the page to ensure the button appears correctly. To test the button, click on it to verify that it directs you to the PayPal payment page. If everything is working properly, you're ready to accept digital payments. You can also explore additional features like recurring payments or subscriptions through the PayPal dashboard. For more advanced configurations, check the API Credentials option. Generate your API keys if you plan to integrate PayPal with an e-commerce platform. Once you have completed all configurations, make sure to review your payment settings periodically. This ensures your account remains secure and efficient for handling digital transactions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.